My name is ALISON Price. I currently work on the CARER'S digital service. As I work as a business analyst on the team, I work closely with the project owner to define and articulate requirements. I do also work with everybody else in the team, subject matter experts, the developers, the delivery manager, the QA tester, the web ops. So I'm a bit of the glue within the team, if you will. So as I said, I do define requirements, write up user stories, do the acceptance criteria. But the acceptance criteria is quite new on this team. We do acceptance criteria in like the old style, I must do this, but we also write it in for automated testing. So I write it in language called Cucumber, but I do write it in plain language so that the business do understand the actual requirements. Also I do release acceptance testing, so the business is aware of what stories have been developed and the project owner is able to sign them off. Maintain the Kanban board on a daily basis, working with everybody on the team to make sure everything's pulling through. Define the backlog and bring the backlog with the project owner on a daily, weekly basis, make sure stories are ready to go into sprint planning and so on. Quite a lot in the business analyst role. We all work together as a team because there's no I in team, it's a team player working as an agile multidisciplinary team. I'm a bit of the glue within the team, sort of the happy person within the team, making sure we all pull together. But our roles are flexible, so I'm not saying I can be a web ops or a developer, but we can all sort of help each other out. In my experiences working as business analyst on Waterfall project, you've been sort of a small cog within a big wheel. You've actually just been doing a particular job and that's it, and that's been part of the project. But working as a business analyst on an agile project, you're touching all aspects of the project. You know, from each iteration is different as well really. It's not like working Waterfall, you're actually doing one project, making sure that's completed, that gets completed before we move on to the next phase. Working as an agile, in an agile environment, you're doing all the different activities in every sprint. The key attributes are that you've got to be an excellent communicator, got to have good listening skills because you need to be able to define those requirements, whether it's being project owner, subject matter expert, user researcher and things like that. You've got to be the ultimate collaborator, if you will, and bringing everybody together to find out those requirements, make sure that you get things into delivery.